So I actually constructed my own wig. I bleached this hair, I colored this hair, I bleached my own knots. I did it all, y'all, okay? Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. And today I'm coming to tell you exactly how I dye, fry, and lay to the side this wig that I'm wearing right now. So I actually constructed the unit, but the hair is from Ishow Hair. So thank you so much to Ishow Hair for sponsoring this video. If you want to know exactly how I got this unit the way it's looking right now, how it's giving right now, go ahead and keep on watching. So the very first thing that I did when I received this hair is actually construct it into a wig. So I tried my best to film this process, but I don't know exactly how it's given. I am not lining up the hairline of the closure exactly at the edge of the cap. I'm scooting the closure up like a centimeter so that the hairline basically hangs over the cap ever so slightly. First thing I always do is sew down the closure part because the closure determines how the rest of the hair is gonna lay. I messed up a little bit on the closure part. I'm not sure if you can tell. You can't tell. But that's the first thing that I sewed down, and then I went ahead and sewed the 3 bundles on it. I am left-handed, so it's a lot harder for me to do this stitch when I'm moving to the left. You'll see in a second when I move towards the right, it is smooth sailing, but I was struggling a little bit when going to the left. I do have a little bit of the 3rd bundle left, but I tried to fit as much hair on that unit as possible. I even went through at the end and cut some of the left, added in some places where I had some gaps, just trying to put as much hair on the cap as possible. Second thing I did was actually bleach the hair. So I did use a 30 volume developer and bleach to lift the hair.
It's happening. I don't like this. You're going way too slow.
Now, I never bleached no hair before, and you'll definitely be able to tell. So basically what I did, what she called the money shot, which is the lightest pieces in the front. So I went ahead and put some bleach on the front and foiled it up. Then I went all throughout the hair and did some highlights, some of which I foiled, some of which I left alone. The last thing I did is put developer and bleach all throughout the hair to lift it to this brown color, breaking up that natural 1B2 color, okay? I was struggling. I had my friend on FaceTime coaching me throughout the whole process, but y'all, I had no rhyme, no reason, no plan of what I wanted to do. Miraculously, I got these results, but y'all, it was ridiculous. It was really crazy.
Root? Did you leave some root? Did you leave some root, or did you just?
I don't.
Oh.
Amber, I don't know what I did.
Oh.
So once the hair had dried completely, I decided to do the watercolor method using some Adore color in the color Mahogany. So this is the color that I ended up with. Mind you, I only dipped the hair that one time that you saw me on camera, and then I let the roots sit because I actually over bleached them a little bit, but I didn't want the highlights to get too dark, so we did one quick dip in the Mahogany, and this is how the color came out. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section below. So this is my first ever time doing the whole shebang. I hope it was enjoyable for you. I hope those of you who are beginners were able to follow along, get some tips and tricks. Know that it's not all pretty, y'all. They make it look so easy on YouTube. It is not easy at all. Shout out to the Sade Watkins, the Arnell Armands, the Is That Your Hairs, the Star Lives, the Kyra Orianas, all the girls that be coming on here and slaying these wigs and making it look super duper easy and fooling the rest of us because we thought it's gonna be super duper easy for us. Shout out to y'all as well. Y'all keep me going. Y'all keep me trying new things like this. Shout out to my best friend Amber for walking me through this whole color process, because without her, y'all wouldn't have got no wig, y'all wouldn't have got no color like this. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Go ahead and join the fam. Also hit that bell button so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Do not forget to like this video so that YouTube can actually share with other people. You know, the algorithm works like that. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.